here with CBC Life, and today I have a super duper fun video in store. I have challenged myself to do a full face of makeup with only $20 worth of products. So I headed out to the dollar store, picked up a full face worth of makeup for under $20, and I got this look. So if you guys want to see how that turned out, then please keep on watching. Alrighty guys, jumping right into the tutorial. I'm using a BB cream from the dollar store, of course. So BB creams are a lot more lightweight than a foundation, so I am going ahead and doing 2 coats to just give me a teensy bit of more coverage. Next up, I'm going into this corrector concealer palette, dipping into that middle shade, and we're just going to start concealing my under eye area. Since this is only $1.25, I am applying this super light-handed so that it doesn't crease underneath my eyes. So I also picked up the dark shade from the corrector palette so that I could contour my face. So we're just going to do a 3 shape, the top of my forehead, underneath my cheekbone, and then underneath my jawline. So I also picked up this contour highlight and blush palette for only $4. So we're just going to go right on top of that contour with the powder contour. Then we're going to pick up that blush and put that right on the apples of my cheeks. Next up, we're going to do the brows. I lucked out with this product. This is the Maybelline Brow Pencil. And whenever I'm doing my brows, I start out at the tail of the brow and I really define that arch. And then I just work my way to the front of the brow using a nice light hand and doing nice flicking motions. We're getting fancy. We are even going to set our brows with a brow mascara brow gel. I'm just going to swipe upwards to hold my brows in place. Moving on to the $1.25 eyeshadow palette. So I realized that some of the shades were actually really pretty and pretty pigmented for the price of the palette, and some of the shades were definitely not pigmented. But I mean, for the price, I think this eyeshadow look looks pretty cute. So I'm going into that first shade, that nice rouge shade, and then deepening it up with this brown shade. I'm also going to buff this underneath my eye just to help blow my eyeshadow look out. And then I'm going to take the shimmer shade from my contour highlight and blush palette and just put that on the inner half of my eyelid. And since we're highlighting, I'm going to bring that down the bridge of my nose and bring it right on top of my brow bone. Moving on to mascara. This one is $1.25 as well. This mascara was questionable. It took a lot of work to make my lashes look there, so I probably would recommend investing in a better mascara. We're going to use the same highlighter shade that we used to highlight our brow bone and our nose, and we're just going to apply that right on the high points of our face, so our cheekbones and our cupid's bow. Last but not least, I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick from the dollar store, and I'm applying this all over my lips. Alrighty guys, here is the finished look. Let me know what you thought down below. And I'm not necessarily saying to go out and buy dollar store makeup, but I'm trying to inspire you guys to not spend so much money on your makeup application. There are so many dupe products out there, or hack products, or drugstore products that work so amazing. It's just all about trial and error. And through the years of being a makeup artist, I have found so many products that work for me that are way cheaper than the high-end products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and remember to follow me at Julia Dantas Beauty, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!